Hi, I'm Emily Springer with My Mini Casa. Today we're going to learn about how to use the tool, which is My Mini Casa's online sales software. In this video, we're going to talk about notifications. The Notifications tab breaks down into several different categories: your team, current deals, agent support, and delivery. Your team's notifications are managed generally by your team leader. In the Your Team notifications, there will be current contests for your team, any updates in which your trainer feels are viable, and any questions that you may have. You can go ahead and add that into the new notification and just type it up and it will post. And you can save it there. And now your trainer could see that and would be notified that you had a question or have left a comment for your team. Next on notifications is current deals. The current deals tab is updated to keep you aware of what's going on within the company, if we have any amazing deals going on, if we're offering discounts in certain areas, and if there's anything that we can do to better communicate, we try and put that here. Agent support is a great place for you to go with any additional questions that aren't just asked in your team. If you're not getting the feedback that you need, you can look through these and see if there are any great tools or tips or questions that have already been asked. This is an amazing resource to look at. Delivery notifications keeps you up to date on current delivery terms. If there is something impacting delivery, we try and make sure that it's noted here so that you guys are aware and communication is flowing.